Welcome to our overview of Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA policies. Knowing what FBA's policies are and how they impact you as a seller in the Amazon store is important to listing your products and fulfilling orders through FBA. FBA's three core policies involve customer feedback for FBA listings, customer returns for FBA orders, and FBA's reimbursement of lost and damaged inventory. Let's talk about customer feedback for FBA listings. If you receive negative feedback regarding the condition of your products or any service that you provide, the feedback and negative rating can't be changed. However, if your product is fulfilled through FBA and the negative feedback is the result of a service that Amazon provided, such as delivery, then you can request removal of the feedback on the Feedback Manager page. To find this page, search for Feedback Manager in Seller Central. After our review and removal approval, the negative rating won't be reflected in your performance metrics. The customer's review will remain with a note from Amazon, quote, "This item was fulfilled by Amazon and we take responsibility for this fulfillment experience." The next FBA policy regards customer returns. If you use FBA, Amazon takes care of both fulfillment and customer service for your orders, which includes returns. For information on return eligibility for your products, search for FBA Customer Returns Policy in Seller Central. In most cases, customers can return an item within 30 days of receiving it. However, there are exceptions in which Amazon will accept returns after those 30 days. When a customer returns your product, it's sent back to a fulfillment center. After that, Amazon determines whether the item is sellable or unsellable. Sellable products go back into your inventory. For unsellable products, you may be eligible for a reimbursement depending on who caused the damage. You can have the returned items sent back to you using the FBA Customer Returns page by searching for FBA Customer Returns Policy in Seller Central and clicking FBA Customer Returns Report. After the condition is determined, all defective or customer damaged products must be removed from your inventory within 30 days of arrival at a fulfillment center. Lastly, if your product is lost or damaged under Amazon's control, Amazon will replace the item with a new item of the same fin SKU. Alternatively, you can receive reimbursement for the product. To be eligible for reimbursement, the item or items must be FBA registered, comply with FBA product requirements, restrictions, and inventory requirements, have the same quantities as your shipment plan, and not be pending disposal, defective, or damaged. Additionally, your account health must be in good standing when filing a lost or damaged item claim. If your item meets these eligibility criteria and you haven't received reimbursement or replacement, you can file a claim. Note that the claim process varies and you must provide all requested information. You can find each claim process on the Help page by searching for FBA Inventory Reimbursement Policy in Seller Central. In this video, we've offered an overview of FBA policies for customer feedback, returns, and reimbursement on lost and damaged inventory. We hope this video helped you understand FBA rules and how to respond when issues occur. To learn more about FBA policies, search for FBA Policies and Requirements in Seller Central. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.